and she left me with a broken heart. She fooled me twice and it's all my fault. She cut too deep, now she left me scarred. Now there's so many thoughts going through my brain, and now I'm taking this shot like it's moving pain. Yeah, ooh, I fall apart, down to my core. Ooh, I fall apart, down to my core. Ooh, didn't know before. Surprised when you call me out cold. Hardest damn jewelry I bought. You was my shorty, I know.
Apa sih, Cil?
Ada. Hello.
She was back, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, I'm a wreck. Needless to say, I'm keeping our check. She was back, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Taking it a bad way, losing your grip. Screaming at my face, baby, don't trip. Someone took a big L, I know that felt. Looking at you sideways, put it on tilt. Some things you just can't refuse. She wanna ride me like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose.
Belakang mah jajanan semua. Somai.
I think you love me too much, or you be left in the dust unless I stop by ya. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower. Every time I'm leaving, you don't make it easy. Wish I could be there for you. Give me the reasons. Every time I'm walking out, I can hear you telling me to turn around. Fighting for my trust, and you won't back down. Even if we gotta risk it all right now. I know you're scared of the unknown. You don't wanna be alone. I know I always come and go, but it's out of my control. And you'll be left in the dust unless I stop by you. You're the sunflower. I think you love me too much, or you'll be left in the dust unless I stop by you.
Ayam merahnya.
You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower. There's things I can't seem to let go, and I feel like I'm all on my own. And some days it gets worse, and the memories hurt, but I hope that one day I let go. I know I get mad, too mad, and I don't wanna do that. It hurts bad and I hate when the mood lasts. I move fast and I try hard to move past all the pain, cause I'm looking for a bright side in my mind, cause you only got one life. Need advice from the future, am I alright? If this fight feels like something from your own life, then one time let me hear you sing. Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I could get out of this. And I feel like life moves way too fast to hold on to things from the past. So goodbye to things I'll never miss. We don't run, no, we stand together and hold on through the angry weather. We all want to make something better, I know. And my trust has been torn and shredded, it's been rough, but I try to forget it and move on to a place where I can grow. It's time, not holding back, I'm coming and coming fast. I know what I wanna have, the dream is to detach from all that is bad, the things holding me back, the people that didn't last, the evil that kept me mad. This is my life, it's my time to do things just how I like. My runway for the lights, I'ma take flight, and my God is my purpose and my fight. If you feel the same, let me hear you say. Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I can get out of this. And I feel like life moves way too fast to hold on to things from the past. So goodbye to things I'll never miss. She told me that I'm not enough, and she left me with a broken heart. She fooled me twice and it's all my fault. She cut too deep, now she left me scarred. There's so many things going through my brain, and now I'm taking this shot like it's Novocaine. Yeah, ooh, I fall apart, down to my core. Ooh, I fall apart, down to my